I'm average funny, I'm average intelligent.
From Noida. They're both from Noida.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello. Why am I shouting?
Hello.
Welcome to our very own new podcast.
Drum rolls, please.
The best part is, इस podcast का क्या नाम है? एक और podcast.
एक और podcast.
तुम क्यों इतना excited हो?
एक और podcast. Yes, एक और podcast.
एक और podcast. Because podcast की दुनिया में कमी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
And हमने सोचा why not add more to it? This is our contribution to the world. One more podcast.
You can thank us later.
Or you can judge us. Which you should, to be honest.
Yeah, honestly, I mean, somewhere I think the basis behind creating this podcast was also to get judged. We lack enough judgment in our lives.
No, we have enough judgment in our lives, but we were like, why not some more?
Yeah, we need entertaining judgment.
Humans
honestly.
को संतुष्टि कहाँ मिलती है?
No, actually, also I think I was feeling very hashtag FOMO and left out by seeing all these other people get judged on social media.
No, मेरे को ऐसी कोई feeling नहीं है.
I don't have enough people in life
So I'll tell you why we
provide their
actually-
opinion in my life.
Hashtag loneliness.
Hashtag loneliness.
So basically, I'll tell you कि मैंने क्यों सोचा podcast करने का. No thought behind it. I have absolutely no thought behind it, but I have a lot of things to talk about, as do 7 billion other people.
True.
तो मैंने कहा जब लोग कर ही रहे हैं पॉडकास्ट तो मैं भी कर लूँ, है ना?
सही बात.
एंड मैं आपको फोर्स नहीं करती कि आप बैठ के पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखो, आप आए हो. सो आई जज यू फॉर कमिंग एंड लिसनिंग टू अनदर पॉडकास्ट बिकॉज यार सो यही टॉपिक है एक्चुअली. आज के पॉडकास्ट का टॉपिक ही यही है कि पॉडकास्ट यही और नहीं.
Yeah. I like the topic honestly.
या क्योंकि पॉडकास्ट की लाइक आई सेड कमी नहीं है. एंड ऑनेस्टली पॉडकास्ट इज, मैं ऑनेस्टली बहुत बार बोल रही हूँ,
कोई नहीं तो क्या.
मे बी आई शुड डू अ काउंटर. ऑनेस्टली पॉडकास्ट इज लाइक डन एंड डस्टेड मैन. इट्स सो बोरिंग.
Is it though?
It is. क्योंकि a lot of people have done podcasts. It grew during COVID. I think a lot of people came together.
Yeah.
They did the podcast India में, and it grew and now it has plateaued. And to be honest, ऐसा दुनिया में कौन सा टॉपिक है जो डिस्कस नहीं हुआ है? ऐसा दुनिया में कौन सा ओपिनियन है जो हमने नहीं सुना है? एंड पॉडकास्ट यही और नेवी को बहुत ओरिजिनल टॉपिक
no,
है.
that
नहीं.
absolutely. I mean, I think अब तो schools में essays लिखने को आ रहे हैं कि
Yeah.
the advantages and disadvantages, benefits and lacks of podcast.
Yeah, why? So I actually did some research before
Okay.
our podcast. So उसमें काफ़ी गूगल में था कि what are the benefits of the podcast and why you should start a podcast. And I was like, people are actually encouraging people to start a podcast.
True.
Have you?
No, I would like to backtrack a little bit, to the first point that you actually said. Ki we are done and dusted and it's plateaued.
It has plateaued.
I
think it's plummeting. Can you imagine? We have started a podcast when the market is going down.
I don't think it is, to be honest.
कैसे?
So let me nerd out a little bit. Okay. Let me nerd out a little bit. Okay. So just hear me out on this. ठीक है.
Do I have any other option?
Neither do you.
Can I zone out while you're talking?
No. So, okay. So there is one thing. There is a part of me which agrees with you. Which when you say कि it's plateaued, I wouldn't say it's plummeting yet. But when you say it's plateaued, there's a part of me which agrees with you, and that's the qualitative part of me कि I see around me, people around me, and me myself, who has been an avid consumer of podcasts, and my interest has plateaued, and I see people around me whose interest is also on the relative decline.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
That's what I'm saying.
But there is a massive elephant in this room that we can't ignore, and that is statistics.
Okay.
So that is why I was saying, let me nerd out a little bit.
Okay.
When I say globally, we have 400, 500 million podcast listeners today.
Okay.
Okay. This is in contrast to about 300 a year ago, 300 million a year ago.
300 people.
300 million people.
300 million people a year ago. Okay.
And we've seen 100 million people ka increase.
Achha.
The statistical growth suggests that there is, if I'm not wrong, and please don't quote me on this, but there is an average 15 to 20% ka increase on a year on year.
पर वो तो फोमो के वजह से भी हो सकता है.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just giving you a few stats over here, and we can revisit them.
Okay.
पहले मेरे को लगा कि चलो ये तो ग्लोबल है, ठीक है. मैंने जब ये कंज्यूम किया ये इंटरनेट, सॉरी जब ये इन्फॉर्मेशन, तो मुझे लगा कि भाई चलो ग्लोबल है, ग्लोबल कांट बी मिररिंग what is happening in India, because India is still a developing country. Now US में podcast consumption can be much higher than that in India.
Also, India में podcasts are mainly in encouraging and motivating genre.
And spiritual.
हाँ, and spiritual genre. It's not entertainment. It's not.
Yeah, apart from your few like Desi Crime podcast and all, which are genuinely making actually.
They are doing well.
They're doing.
Desi Crime तो लोग सुनते भी हैं, and फिर.
They're doing both, and honestly, shout out to Aryan and Aishwarya, both of them who are doing the Desi Crime podcast.
Yes, shout out to them. I don't know who they are.
They are these 21-year-old guys. Okay. Living in the US right now, but they keep traveling between India and US.
तो वो US में रह के इंडिया की देसी क्राइम बारे के
No, they are from Noida. They're both from Noida. They're both from Noida. So they have personal. I think Aishwarya is not from Noida. Aishwarya is from Punjab, if I'm not wrong. But Aryan is from Noida, part of Shivnadar school.
Guys, it was in their destiny to talk about desi crime.
Yes,
क्योंकि वो Noida के हैं.
Yes, and they've hit the right audience. They've put India on the global podcast map.
Yeah, fair enough.
By Spotify is addressing them. Spotify is counting them in the top 5 crime related podcasts.
Congratulations.
Anyways, we are not going into Desi Crime podcast. My point being कि भाई एक मेरे को लगा था कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे हो सकता है. India is still not doing that. But मैंने फिर इंडिया के स्टैट्स पढ़े. Okay? And India had about 60 million listeners a year ago. And by the end of this year, it's projected to be over 100 million.
Projected.
It's projected. It's on the rise.
मतलब भाई देखो, मैं ये नहीं कह रही पॉडकास्ट सुनना नहीं चाहिए या करना नहीं चाहिए. आई जेन्युइनली फील कि मैंने जितने भी पॉडकास्ट देखे हैं इंडियन, इट्स ऑलवेज बिन वेरी मीडियोकर.
ट्रू.
इट्स अ मीडियोकर क्वालिटी पॉडकास्ट जो बहुत ही इंकरेजिंग, मोटिवेटिंग, इंस्पिरेशनल हो, या फिर
न्यूज़ी हो.
हाँ, मतलब देसी क्राइम, आई अंडरस्टैंड देसी क्राइम जो जॉनर है वो बहुत अच्छा है, बट अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक जस्ट इंटरव्यूइंग बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज एंड गेटिंग गॉसिप इनटू देयर लाइफ.
ट्रू.
एंड वो तो पिंक विला भी करता है ना.
सही बात है. आई मीन ट्रू. कर्ली टेल्स
डजंट डू गॉसिप. शी एक्चुअली हैज गुड इंटरव्यूज, बट पिंक विला तो हमें गॉसिप देता ही है. या वो व्हाट इज दैट गाइज नेम, भियानी.
हाँ, विरल
और आई एक्चुअली हैव ऑलवेज कॉल्ड हिम
viral, whatever. I think it plays. It's a right.
It's a proper noun. I can do whatever I want.
Very good name he's gotten, considering the amount of information he's making viral.
Do you think he made this name up?
Yeah, it's a possibility.
But
I believe it's viral.
Anyway, so मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है there बहुत कम quality podcast.
I understand that.
ठीक है, and that brings me actually to the next segment is what kind of podcast do people listen to? What kind of podcast do you listen to? So you can comment down below. क्योंकि आप if you're listening to some, अगर आप कोई quality podcast सुन रहे हो तो यार हमें भी बताओ, so that हम भी सुने, because I have not come across any. And I would like to know what good podcast you listen to. Then I'll tell you what I listen to, and that's very interesting.
Okay, so
you can judge me then. Oh, by the way, let me give you a disclaimer. I'm so sorry. I'm a very average human being. I'm an average.
In what way do you mean that?
I'm average funny. I'm average intelligent, and I'm average aware of current affairs. मेरा ऐसा कोई ओपिनियन इंटेलेक्चुअल बेसिस पे नहीं है. मेरा ऐसा कोई एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन नहीं है. आई लाइक टू बी एवरेज इस वे में.
Great.
So if you think I'm dumb, why am I shouting?
Yeah, why are you shouting?
I don't know.
Okay.
So if you think I'm dumb, it's fine. You're correct.
She's not dumb.
You're correct. But
She's not dumb. She's just unsmart.
That's the diplomatic, politically
No.
correct way of saying dumb.
Okay, moving on.
So what
Podcasts.
podcast आप क्या सुनते हैं?
So, again, I am a sucker for true crime.
Yeah,
I
think
am
you
a
have
sucker.
issues.
Yeah, I do. I genuinely made some right calls in life that I'm here on this couch and not having my mugshot taken.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because I believe everybody who consumes true crime the way I do, and because we have like a whole community that consumes true crime the way we all do, it's very easy to fall into this trap of a criminal mindset, because you're really looking at them from a very nuanced perspective. So
मेरा एक सवाल है to all the people who watch crime podcasts or who listen to crime stories and crime podcasts, आप लोग affect कैसे नहीं होते? मतलब क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा नहीं है कि
सही बात है.
ऐसा नहीं है कि it's fiction, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है कि it's a imagination, it's a work of imagination. Clearly कुछ हुआ है, उस पर स्टोरी बनी है, ठीक है, नाम फिक्शनलाइज्ड होंगे. आपको मतलब रात को नींद कैसे आती है कि ये दुनिया में एक्चुअली हो रहा है, आप सुन भी रहे हो, एंटरटेन भी हो रहे हो, नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट. इट्स अ जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड कि आप सो कैसे पाते हो, लाइक हाउ डज इट नॉट बॉदर यू?
Honestly, I think it's a little bit of detachment, and that is why we become avid consumers. Because if you're not detached from it, you will never consume it.
But doesn't it make you like a bit of do you think your detachment level goes up to the point where you become emotionless? कि भाई दुनिया में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? होता ही रहता है.
नहीं, I personally don't. Again, I'm not recounting anyone else's experience. All of this comes from my own personal experience. But I have faced both sides of situation. ठीक है? Wherein एक समय ऐसा हुआ कि भाई consumption, gritty shows, gritty movies, dark movies, neo-noir movies, and same for podcasts also. When I started consuming podcasts, same चीज़ हो गया भाई कि criminal related, criminal mastermind related, criminal psychology related, सब चीज़. At one point, in fact, I was watching interrogations of criminals, real life criminals on YouTube, क्योंकि वो record होते हैं ना, a lot of police they put out those video recordings.
Yeah.
So I was watching it to understand the criminal mindset, what is the psychology behind it, and all of that. Why I did it, why I was doing it, was because I am personally very invested in the human psychology.
Okay.
Very, very invested. It intrigues my brain a lot. कि भाई, what goes into the making of a criminal? What goes into the making of a criminal mastermind? ठीक है? A serial killer, a murderer.
He takes notes. What goes into the making? मेरे में क्या कमी रह गई है?
इस साल का character development, podcast का year on year और आदित्य शिवम का year on year development are two very different things. No, but genuinely I've always been curious about the human psychology, and I believe there is a little, again, most of these criminals that I have, jinka stories I have consumed, have everything else that makes them a normal human being, but a teensy tiny bit of fragmentation which deviates them from this normalcy and takes them towards this path of crime.
Which is normal for them. So.
Which is very normal for them, which becomes their normal.
Yeah.
You see all your Ted Bundys and your Manson and all of them, they all have this teeny tiny bit which fragmented and made their new normal seem like the average normal.
Okay.
So that switch जो हुआ, जो on होता है और ये हो जाता है, I would like to understand कि I have always wanted to understand कि क्या होता है. Now, this is one side of it कि what intrigued me.
अगर आप क्राइम पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो या देखते हो तो आप बताओ आप क्यों देखते हो? लाइक he is interested in the human mind.
Yes.
Why do you watch it? Is it entertainment? Is it do you like it? Do you want to become one? Is that your goal, ambition?
Please,
are you
like
working towards it?
Is that on your LinkedIn profile already?
Yeah. Is that like your manifestation for 2025? बन के दिखाएंगे.
Yeah, like Jeffrey Dahmer का पोस्टर आपके बैकग्राउंड में है.
Yes, this guy. कौन है?
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Jeffrey Dahmer, guys.
The serial killer, the American serial killer, one of the most notorious serial killers of all time.
So basically, okay, I suck with names.
Okay.
Okay.
John
Who
Wayne
are
Gacy,
you?
which you
I'm
know.
so sorry. Did I introduce you?
Aditya Shivam. John Wayne Gacy,
Guys,
the
I'm
clown.
Shreyasi. I'm Shreyasi.
Yeah,
And
she
this
forgets
is-
her name sometimes.
This is Aditya Shivam. Wait, let me just say 15 minutes into the podcast and now I'm
We finally know what each of our names are.
introducing
So I think we are off to a great start.
my what do you call you? Are you a co-host? A co-talkie?
Co-talkie?
Co-borer?
Co-borer. I would like to be.
Podcast
I would love to be
is so
co-borer.
boring.
Co-droner.
Okay, oh no. I have to address the fact that we are hypocrites. Shit.
course.
I wanted to start with this.
Yeah, that's a good point to start. I think. So, guys, welcome to our podcast.
So we are hypocrites because we have created a podcast.
Yes.
I don't think he's a hypocrite because
I'm
this
not
is his
as.
third podcast.
I'm not as big of an hypocrite as.
Yeah, I am a full 100%
Hippo.
not a hippopotamus. Maybe that. No.
No, you're not.
A hypocrite for starting a podcast because like I said बहुत podcast हो चुके हैं.
She hates podcast.
मेरा मन नहीं करता यार ना देखने का ना सुनने का पर मैं create कर रही हूँ. So what does that make me?
Hippo.
A fake.
Phony.
Hashtag phony. Hashtag fake. Hashtag hippo.
Yes.
Okay, anyway.
No,
so
but I want to come back to this. You now talk about not being bored of podcast, not liking podcast. Did you ever
Yeah.
try getting into the world of podcast?
तो मैंने ना like I said I've watched like okay so every Indian started with Joe Rogan maybe
A lot of Indians.
yeah a lot of Indians not every Indian क्योंकि यार हम लोग जब बड़े हो रहे थे Joe Rogan so Joe Rogan for me is like Fear Factor I
Okay.
loved him in Fear Factor
Yes.
okay and फिर उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि भाई वो पॉडकास्ट करता है उसका पॉडकास्ट बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है
Yeah.
इट्स फनी इट्स दैट तो आई वॉच्ड हिज ठीक है देन
The video version or
the
the
video
audio?
versions और okay so I have to address the fact मैं सुन नहीं सकती मतलब इन द सेंस सुन नहीं सकती इन द सेंस
Hello, आपको पता चल रहा है?
यार मशीन खराब है
Guys,
machine,
look at the special podcast. We have a deaf person over here.
no you can't say deaf I'm pretty sure you can't everything is so politically this thing I don't think you can
I want to have an episode on this. Can we move to this episode because I have so much to say.
okay we will
I
move
think
past.
that
I can't
the
do
day-
controversy on the first
The
episode
day we lost the D word in this society. Yeah, that's allowed. We are allowed to say that. We are not allowed to say Behra. It's a bloody scientific term.
एक जोक सुनाओ
हाँ.
बहुत ही गंदा है मैंने ऐसे एक फ्रेंड को बोला अभी बहरा है क्या कहता नहीं आशीष हूँ ना तो जोक है उसके फ्रेंड का नाम था आशीष बहरा
Oh, so it's either a great joke or a horrible joke. I don't know which one this is. It's actually a pretty good one. It worked. For him, it worked.
It worked. Okay, so
Yeah, you and podcast.
तो मैंने
What has been the
जो
trajectory?
रोगन देखा फिर मैं okay so then I got to know about this bare biceps podcast great it's very good I have no comments and then I watched that Raj Shamani guy again no comments was very motivated in life to not do anything probably to jump off moving on okay so then I started watching below average podcasts ठीक है जैसे random लोगों के like family podcast sibling podcast या friends talking so I'll tell you an example जैसे साक्षी शिवदसानी does
Right.
okay all that boho girl and that sister does
Why
I'm not encouraging their podcast because to be honest I don't have any comments on them लेकिन the topics that they talk about I relate to it why I don't want to have intellectual conversations or I don't want to listen to intellectual conversations क्योंकि भाई पूरा दिन आप वही करते हो आप सोशल मीडिया पे इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस लेते हो प्रोसेस करते हो आप ऑफिस में यू प्रिटेंड टू बी इंटेलेक्चुअल क्योंकि भाई यू हैव टू बी। आप फिर उसके बाद न्यूज़ सुनते हो क्योंकि पापा आपको फोर्स कर रहे होते हैं। मतलब the whole time whenever you go out with friends you're talking about, dude have you listened to that, dude oh my god Trump, dude oh my god this, the whole time आप बस pretend ही कर रहे हो कि हाँ you're well aware of the world, you have you're मतलब अगर एक topic शुरू हुआ है तो आप deep में सब कुछ जानते हो उसके बारे में। I don't believe in that.
Okay.
ठीक है, I'm so tired of intellectual podcasts and conversations कि मेरा मन करता है क्रैप सुनने का। नाउ क्रैप इज नॉट गॉसिप, लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स नॉट गॉसिप। क्रैप इज लाइक आपके फैमिली में क्या हुआ, आप कहाँ बड़े हुए, कैसा
basically does that come from the relatability factor?
The relatability factor. Now I heard like a few siblings के podcast where they were discussing कि भाई उनके बचपन में मम्मी कितना मारती थी, एक को मारती थी लेकिन दूसरे को नहीं मारती थी। ठीक है, और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था, oh my god, is my mom their mom? Like what is happening?
The universal
right
experience.
The universal experience. क्योंकि ना उससे मेरे को बस फन चाहिए यार, मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए। And that's why I like Tanmay Bhatt. Tanmay Bhatt का पॉडकास्ट नहीं है, I don't think he does podcast.
Reacts.
But it's reacts where like a couple of guys come together. It's so stupid, but it's fun.
Insane.
मतलब मैं महीने में एक बार देख के मुझे खुशी मिल जाती है उसको देख के। आई एम अ महीने में एक बार वाला टारगेट ऑडियंस।
Fair enough.
अभी जैसे एक मैं देख रही थी, शी इज अ न्यू यॉर्कर, शी हैज अ पॉडकास्ट विद हर सिस्टर एंड दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रीन फ्लैग्स एंड रेड फ्लैग्स अबाउट देयर ओन बॉयफ्रेंड्स, नॉट पीपल इन जनरल, नॉट बॉयज इन जनरल, नॉट गर्ल्स इन जनरल। अपने ही बॉयफ्रेंड का रेड फ्लैग बता रही थी, अपने ही बॉयफ्रेंड का ग्रीन फ्लैग बता रही थी, एंड शी वाज डिस्कसिंग विद हर सिस्टर। भाई मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा वो, इतना अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं अपनी बहन से बात कर रही हूँ।
Fair enough. Kind of reminds you of, doesn't it remind you of Nobody Wants This a little bit?
Yes.
अभी हमने देखा,
if you guys have not watched Nobody Wants This on Netflix, please do.
Yeah, because
it's really nice.
Just finished that show,
That
and
was
honestly,
yeah,
it's exactly what you are defining the entire genre to be right now. कि भाई, it is everything that you want in a good show.
Yeah.
Where of course it's a very open-ended term, good show, but by good show I mean कि ये वाला जो genre है where there is romance, comedy, drama, fun, quirky, witty, intelligent, but at the same time it is super laid back, super relaxed. So a great show to watch, honestly, would recommend.
Have you ever watched or listened to a sex podcast?
Not yet. Haven't had the opportunity to.
Okay, I have, and there are very less podcasts on sex which are good. Why? Why? I'll tell you. Again, no relatability. It's either too sexual or it feels like ये मेरे लाइफ में नहीं होगा। ठीक है?
अच्छा।
But अब Nobody Wants This में जो सेक्स पॉडकास्ट है, जो उसके बहुत स्निपेट्स दिखाए हैं, it's a show, it's not a podcast, it's a show, but उसमें क्या दिखाया है? The sisters are having a conversation on sex. You know why I liked it? क्योंकि it kind of felt कि मैं अपनी बहन से सेक्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। कि मैं उससे पूछूँ कि अच्छा तेरा क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, क्या सही है, क्या what opinion do you have, like an intimate close conversation with someone you trust and someone you can take an opinion of
and whom you can be fully open with.
You can be fully open with. अब मेरे को encouraging and motivating podcast क्यों पसंद नहीं है? Again relatability.
Yeah, zero.
क्योंकि भाई यही शेड्यूल तुम्हारे लाइफ में काम किया है, जरूरी नहीं है मेरी लाइफ में ये काम करे क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ डिफरेंट है। ठीक है, तेरे पास 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं है, तेरा जॉब ही है लोगों को मोटिवेट करना। मेरा 9 to 5 जॉब भी है, उसमें मेरे को घर साफ करना है, खाना बनाना है, अपने कुत्ते को घुमाना है, अपने आप को सही रखना है, स्पोर्ट्स खेलना है, जिम करना है, मेडिटेट करना है, खाना हो गया ना? हो गया। हाँ, सोशल पेरेंट से बात करनी है, सोशल लाइफ रखना है, दुनिया से भी वेल वर्स रखना है, करियर ग्रोथ भी रखना है। भाई जो तुम्हारा शेड्यूल है वो मेरे शेड्यूल पे काम नहीं करता, तो मुझे वो इंकरेजिंग नहीं लगता, बल्कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शिट ये कर पा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर पा रही, मेरी लाइफ लूजर है। आई एम अ लुल।
आई गेट दैट।
नाउ द थिंग इज, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दैट इज माई टेक। आई एम अ पर्सन हु हैज नॉट रियली लाइक द पॉडकास्ट जॉनर। ठीक है, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दैट्स व्हाई इट मेक्स मी अ हिपोक्रेट कि मैंने अपना पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया है गाइस।
To rant about podcasts.
To rant about podcasts. So,
but I personally have had a very different trajectory with podcasts.
I know. That's why I called you.
Yeah, it's a very different trajectory where I genuinely loved the world, and now I'm looking for alternatives.
Yeah.
Because
So
now
ChatGPT के according alternatives to podcast is YouTube.
I believe there is a different this thing. There is one thing that I've consumed, and I believe if we have more of these will be a much better way of putting forth the same talking stuff.
I have understood zero of what you have said.
Okay.
सरल भाषा में बोलिए भाई. हिंदी, English. प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो अगर तुमको समझ आया कि इसने इस लास्ट सेंटेंस में क्या बोला है.
I was yet to complete the sentence. That's what the people in comment will tell you. कि I was telling there is one thing,
and I was full stop लग गया था, लेकिन आप sentence बोल
there was not
रहे हैं.
a full stop. There was a semicolon before I dropped what the title was. Go back and listen to this audio now.
भाई मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि तुम टाइटल किस
So
चीज का ले रहे
guys,
हो.
rewind to the part where average intelligence or dumb, unsmart.
Guys,
we are establishing the hypothesis.
You don't have to rewatch or rewind to that much. आप 2 मिनट पहले ही रिवाइंड करके इसका सेंटेंस सुन लो कि ये क्या बोल रहा है.
कर लो.
कर लो.
Let me complete.
कर लो भाई. हम भी नोएडा के हैं.
Why are you screaming first of all?
I don't know. I'm not used to a mic.
It's like I can't speak.
Okay, नहीं. अच्छा बताओ क्या कह रहे थे. पर शुरू से बताओ कि मुझे तुम्हारा
I'm
सेंटेंस.
saying there is a whole different alternative to podcast,
Yeah.
which I believe should be promoted more. Okay,
And
that
that
alternative is not YouTube like you said.
I
believe that is audio dramas.
Yes, I agree. Audio movies.
Audio movies and audio dramas.
Yeah, I agree.
So I not recently, but like a year ago, I watched this.
I was gonna say video dramas, and then I realized that's what TV is. So.
Yeah. So a year ago, I consumed this audio drama called The Calls.
Okay.
Okay, it's on Apple TV. Okay.
Okay.
Now, of course, it's an audio drama, right? There is no visual to it. But what they've done is they've created a very sound wavy visual for it, so that you have something to look at. But it's on Apple TV. It's an Apple TV original. Okay. Wherein they talk about these supernatural occurrences.
Okay.
Okay. It's a
reality based.
No, it's not.
No,
it's fictionalized. It's absolutely fictionalized. But the thing is, it's also talking about a very dystopian world. And somewhere you have that relatability because we see our world also head in a lot of directions in a lot of ways towards that dystopian world direction.
So I feel we live in a dystopia, but this is a topic for another podcast. but
Yeah,
okay.
I'm trying to just tell a very different thing. Ki bhai, YouTube, of course, absolutely, 100%. But YouTube to a certain degree has also been consumed and overconsumed.
So much, yeah. I
It's
agree.
saturated.
I agree.
Okay? We may still consume it for a whole decade, another decade, and probably more, but it still gives you a certain feeling of saturation, right? Audio dramas are yet to be explored.
And I agree actually.
So
I
the
agree.
same thing that Crime Ka podcast was giving me.
Did you know? I'm
Yeah.
so sorry to cut you. Did you know I tried to make an audio drama?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a 1 episode thing. I had a story and then I tried to. I've written the script. I'm not getting the perfect voiceover for it. It's
Great.
like.
I would love to
Yeah.
hear even that one script after you've gotten the voiceover done.
Maybe you can do it.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, actually, you'll be perfect for
Let's go over the script once.
it. Done.
Okay. So
Job opportunities.
open to work. So I believe audio dramas can do that even better. So now instead of 2 people sitting here and narrating what the story is, you get 5 people and you let them give you the voiceovers for those characters, and you create a more engaging thing. Now I believe the same thing. Now very similar to audiobooks, honestly, similar on that sphere, but it's not.
Audiobooks is narration, right?
It's full narration.
Audio drama is like immersive.
It's theatrical.
experience.
It's full
like
theatrical.
4D listening.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Exactly the 4D listening.
4D listening.
So
Not your average girl.
So what the Calls did was, what I loved about it is they had this insane story, and honestly, please consume it sometimes. It's I don't remember the number of episodes. It's like 5 or 6 only. Okay, but they got these big stars to do it. They got A-listers from Hollywood to do the voiceovers. So you also have these names doing it, but at the same time, it's essentially it's but in all honesty it's essentially क्या है कि आप same story जो एक crime podcast करेगा, you're just consuming it in a more theatrical way. So I believe they become much more engaging than what your
more
average podcast.
entertaining, engaging.
हाँ, so मैं वही सोच रहा था, सोचो बच्चों को आपको मानो कि आपको पॉडकास्ट में डालना है, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि पॉडकास्ट कैन बी इन्फॉर्मेटिव, पॉडकास्ट कैन बी एजुकेशनल. वी आर नॉट हियर टू जस्ट क्रैप ऑन पॉडकास्ट, ओके, नॉट एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज पॉडकास्ट वी हैव सीन कैन बी वेरी वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव इफ दे हैव टू बी, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अब स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर कितने सारे पॉडकास्ट आते हैं. नाउ व्हाई डू आई कंज्यूम स्पोर्ट्स पॉडकास्ट? क्योंकि आई एम अ फुटबॉल फैन. And I would love to listen to what 5 other people ka opinion was on the same match that I have watched and I have an opinion on. So that way, I get a much more wholesome view of what the match was. Because I may have observed something which the other person wouldn't have.
Okay, on this actually, segueing into it, कि why people start a podcast or why people should start a podcast, and मैं यही सोच रही थी कि a lot of people have opinions, ठीक है? And not a lot of people get to share their opinions. So podcast is a great way to share your opinion and to find your tribe.
Absolutely.
ठीक है, तो मतलब जैसे if you have an unpopular opinion and you voice it out, so you realize, so you realize actually कि a lot of people actually believe in that unpopular opinion, and ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बहुत ही unpopular है और लोग जो मानते हैं उस बात को. लेकिन उसी में opposite ये है कि now there are मतलब ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी, बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत पॉडकास्ट करते हैं which has a very negative impact on people. They kind of find the wrong kind of tribe. Okay, now the podcast can be anti-women, anti-society, anti-government, anti-national, मतलब जो भी, but in a very negative way. And ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ उन्हीं के दिमाग में ये सब एंटी चल रहा है. बहुत और रेसिस्ट लोग या बहुत और ऐसे लोग आ जाते हैं विद लाइक हाँ हमें नहीं चाहिए कि ये दुनिया में
also not just कि भाई उनके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी चल रहा है. People are very very prone to influence, especially teenagers.
Very prone to influence.
So they have such an open blank mind कि the moment you put something negative on it, it creates a ripple effect.
वो छप जाता है.
So everything else is looked from that negative angle.
तो अब यही है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है पॉडकास्ट का भाई, although there are pros and cons to everything, तो I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है पॉडकास्ट का ये भी है कि कहीं ना कहीं एक फिल्टर कहीं हो, बट वो ये है कि फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच वाली बात हो जाती है.
I think फिल्टर आता है. I think to a certain
कैसे
आपको अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Spotify has very clear legal.
Spotify has, not a lot of people. YouTube doesn't.
YouTube पे again
freedom of
वही
speech
है. You can't.
And your private channels, private frequencies don't. So if you're putting out your podcast on like a private frequency or some other platform जो Spotify जैसे diligent नहीं है,
so that's the thing. I think now we are moving on from this micro topic of podcast to the macro topic of the society. कि भाई अगर ये पॉडकास्ट नहीं कर पाएगा, चलो पॉडकास्ट पे हमने रूल्स, लीगल गाइडलाइंस सब चीज पे लगा दिए, ठीक है, कि नहीं बोल सकता है बंदा. खड़े होकर के उसको फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच तो है ही ना. वो खड़े होकर के तो बाहर अगर अपने
हम भी तो पॉडकास्ट
कर ही रहे हैं. इट इज सी द थिंग इज ना, freedom of speech and expression cannot be attuned to just our own preferences. Freedom of speech is a generalized freedom of speech. Okay, तो वो अब it's his freedom to say something. Okay, it's our freedom whether we want to consume it or not. This is where वो intermediary जो बीच में आता है ना, where the education system, parental system, friends, peers, the people that you hang out with play such an important role. यहाँ पे जो intermediary, the middleman, कि भाई this is the supplier, this is the consumer. ठीक है, सप्लायर को कंज्यूमर के पास कैसे पहुंचना है ना, देयर इज नॉट वन वे कि यही फिक्स्ड वे कि मैं पॉडकास्ट करके ही पहुंच सकता हूँ इसको. ये
भी है, बहुत सारे अलग तरीके.
क्या मैं पैम्फलेट पहुंचा दूंगा उसके घर पे, एक मैसेज देख लेगा वो, मैं ईमेल पे टाइप करके भेज दूंगा, मैं व्हाट्सएप पे एक स्पैम मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दूंगा. हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप एवरीथिंग, राइट? इट इज हाउ दीज इंटरमीडियरीज, इट्स हाउ दीज मिडलमैन दे ट्राई, दे इंश्योर कि वो संगति का असर, कि भाई आपकी संगति कैसी है ना, that influences the kind of content you consume, and not just the kind of content is. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई I'm not open to consuming that content, but what is my reaction to that content?
Fair enough.
I'm sorry, I'm going to drop names because we are dropping names. Okay?
I don't know.
No, we insinuated names. I'm dropping names. I consume Andrew Tate's content. Okay, because he's on Twitter, I can't not consume it. It's promoted.
Get out of my podcast, man. Just
See, this reaction is what causes it.
अरे भाई he said a lot.
That's what I'm saying.
मजाक था.
No, I'm saying I consume it. I don't adhere to those principles.
Yeah,
That's what I'm trying to say. You can't shut people off from Twitter and Instagram and be like, नहीं तुमको consume ही नहीं करने देंगे. That is not the right way to go.
मैं बोल भी नहीं रही.
नहीं, बहुत पेरेंट्स का ये भी रिएक्शन होगा कि शिट भाई मेरे बच्चे कर लेंगे मैं उनको सोशल मीडिया पे
प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हो.
ओवर प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हो और भाई जब वो छूटेगा.
भाई वो नॉर्थ कोरिया वाले मेन जो अब यूक्रेन
एग्जैक्टली जो यूक्रेन में गए
उनका तो दिमाग फट गया.
उनका भाई
वही हो गया ओवर प्रोटेक्ट.
और अब एक साथ आएगा तो यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज द कंट्रोल ओनली क्योंकि यू हैव नॉट बीन रेगुलेटेड आपको ना. इसीलिए एंड दिस इज वेयर आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव which I think we'll discuss this topic in a future episode. Things like spirituality and meditation help a lot.
That is true, actually. That is true. Meditation.
So we will come into this into the next episodes. I'm sure of it. But meditation, your spirituality, your spiritual practices that you do every day, your sadhanas and all of that, that will help you stay grounded, stay humble, and kind of always choose the right path in life. The path that is filled with moral values and ethical values and human values overall.
Also where you're not hurting people.
Yeah.
See, you can have your opinions as long as आप किसी को दुख नहीं पहुंचा रहे हो, किसी को hurt नहीं कर रहे हो.
Stop enforcing your opinions.
And stop enforcing opinions कि ठीक है आपका अपना. अब जैसे यार मुझे podcast नहीं पसंद लेकिन मैं तुमको तो ना बोलूँगी podcast सुनना बंद कर दो.
वही.
फिर आप मेरा podcast कैसे देखोगे?
हाँ, ना ही the other way कि good one. ना ही the other way कि भाई मेरे को podcast पसंद है and now you have a partner or a friend or your parents कि भाई तुम कैसे नहीं podcast सुन सकते हो. सुन के तो देखो.
You're so dumb because you don't listen to podcast.
Or you intellectualize the whole concept so much. Yeah, it's very weird.
It is very weird. So, okay, we've been talking for a while now, and I would like to now move towards ending the podcast.
No, fair enough.
And
I think we're reaching the average attention span of consumers anyways.
I don't, मतलब पता नहीं लोग सुने भी हैं इतना या नहीं.
Honestly, if you're still here,
can you put the timestamp कि आप कहाँ तक सुने हो?
Yeah, if you're still here, and this does not include you, mummy, papa.
No, it includes you, mummy, papa. I would like to know कि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने इतना सुना भी है तो, because that will be an achievement for me. But I would like to say everyone has their own opinions. If you like to share your opinion, please start a podcast or a YouTube
Go
channel.
for it, man.
Go for it.
It's your life, live it.
हम भी तो कर ही रहे हैं. And अगर आप consume कर रहे हो podcast, please make sure कि आपका अपना opinion भी है और आप दूसरों का भी सुन रहे हो. And then you make an informed decision about what your opinion should be. आप बह नहीं जा रहे किसी और के ओपिनियन में, लेकिन अगर आपका ओपिनियन शायद थोड़ा डामाडोल है, उनका ओपिनियन आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ अच्छा है, नहीं अच्छा है, वी शुड मे बी हैव दैट पर्सपेक्टिव इन लाइफ, सो प्लीज गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय दैट ओपिनियन बट मेक दैट डिसीजन. I think I agree with Aditya कि आप मेडिटेशन शुरू करिए because that will really help you to keep awareness कि आप क्या डिसीजंस ले रहे हो, क्या सुन रहे हो, क्या कंज्यूम करते हो. एंड या तो ये पॉडकास्ट अब हम करते रहेंगे क्योंकि वी आर हिपोक्रेट्स. वी मतलब मैं तो हूँ, ही इज़ नॉट. आई एम अ हिपोक्रेट एंड मुझे बड़ा मजा आया क्योंकि टाइम पास काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया.
क्योंकि अभी हमने ये किया है एंड देयर इज अनदर पैरेलल पॉडकास्ट.
दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज गोना से कि मेरे चैनल पे तो ये पॉडकास्ट हो ही रहा है, एक और पॉडकास्ट अब एक और पॉडकास्ट आएगा इसके चैनल में. सो आदित्य ऑल्सो इज अ यूट्यूबर. ही मेक्स सिनेमैटिक व्लॉग्स एंड फिल्म्स on his channel, but we have decided to do a podcast on his channel also. A very different genre, very different tone of the podcast. It's all about calm and
no, please don't reveal. Actually, don't let people go and
experience it. I'm so sorry.
It's the Joe Rogan experience.
So definitely check out his. I will put the link in the description, in the card, in the end screen. And thank you for watching our podcast. Please बताओ कैसा लगा. Please judge करो यार हमें. हम judgment के भूखे हैं.
Give us the 1.5 out of 10 ratings. We're waiting for it.
Please judge us. Tell us that we are dumb. Tell us that whatever we are saying, your opinion is crap. Yes, I want that.
Engage, man. Engage. Just don't take it too much to heart. That's all. Don't take it too seriously. Be
हमने
chill.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला जो वो seriously लेंगे.
No. Don't be negative very seriously. Be negative for fun.
Don't be negative.
Be negative for fun.
But judge.
Judge, man.
Judge with dispassion.
Gossip about. Go tell your friends कि भाई कल दो ऐसे एकदम dumb लोगों को सुना.
लुल.
कुछ value नहीं add किया मेरे life में. कुछ नहीं बट
मेरे
सुन के
40
मजा है
मिनट में 40 मिनट वेस्ट हो गए
एट द एंड ऑफ इट अगर आप ये बोल पाओगे कि भाई बट सुन के कुछ तो मजा आ ही गया
चल ना तू भी देख साथ में जज करेंगे
हमारा हमने सक्सेसफुल बना दिया
That's what I want. I want you to tell people to watch our podcast and then you guys should come together and judge us. Make a podcast of your own. Let it be meta.
That yeah, judging the podcast Your Name podcast by Shresi and Aditya.
A podcast on judging a podcast. So thank you. See you
thank you,
next
though.
week. Next week का भी I think topic बहुत interesting होगा.
Yeah.
क्या है? कुछ तो है. What's the surprise? Suspense.
हाँ.
Oh my god. Okay. Bye.
Bye.